Hello! I'm Marcus Lipsius. I'm gonna be your host tonight. You are watching Education for Dummies. Let's take a look at the first dummy we have. Oliver, what are you doing?
I'm cutting this timber to make it even.
For what?
To put some stones. Right here we got the hip. And if we take a look, the house inside, come follow. We got the chest up here. And yeah, that's about it. We're working very hard on this every day.
Do you like to be at this school?
Yes, I really enjoy so many good projects. It's nice.
Do you have an apprenticeship?
No.
So, now we have taken a first look at the apprentice. Dummy, he got fired twice, I don't know why. He's stupid, he doesn't know what we're saying. See you next time at Education for Dummies.
Scene 2, take 2.
Hello and welcome back to Education for Dummies. We have now Sebastian and he's gonna tell us something about drawings. Sebastian, what can you tell me about this drawing?
Not so much. It's the drawing to the. If you just turn the camera, building construction. You see right there, Marco. If you will be so nice. Yes.
Are you happy of your career choice?
Yeah, I'm very happy, but the drawings, I'm not so good at it.
Why
Like my English, you know. I just don't get it. Look at all these. Can you see what it is? Can you tell me what it is? No, I can't either because I am screwed.
Okay. Yeah, thank you, Sebastian. It was nice to having you here.
Very welcome.
Yeah. So see you next time at Education for Dummies. Hello and welcome back for Education for Dummies. Now we're going into the cafeteria and looking for some students. Oh, what a luck! We have two students right here. Let's go and ask them some questions and hope they will answer them. Hello, my name is Marcus. You have probably already heard of me from Education for Dummies.
You're
But,
famous.
Yeah, you're the famous Marcus.
Yes.
Hi.
Okay, boys.
Yes.
Do you like this school?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
The food is good.
The
Yeah.
food is good.
Yeah,
I
but
can see.
expensive.
Yeah, it's very good food we have over there.
Yeah.
Look at the.
It's closed,
It's so beautiful.
but it's very expensive.
Is it
It's very expensive.
nice? Okay. As we all know, in America, we pay to go to school. But I heard a little rumor that that's not what they do here. So tell me, is the rumor true? Are you getting paid to go to school?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yes.
It's nice. We get paid to be here, slacking our ass off, using on booze and hookers. It's nice.
Okay. That was the guy who didn't have a job. Okay. So what do you think about the school system?
It's okay.
It's okay?
I get paid sometimes.
Yeah.
Uh,
Don't be shy. Don't be shy.
I'm very shy.
Oh, come on, take it serious.
Yeah, pretty good.
So,
Yeah,
everything's okay?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, we're here for 6 weeks now on the main court.
Thank
And
you
then
for
okay.
So now we
Thanks,
move
Marcus.
on and see if we can find some other people. But I think the school is closed. Yeah, and you also need to say thanks to the cameraman, Marco, the big one. Yeah. I am Marcus Lipsius, your very famous host. and welcome back to Education for Dummies. We are now out of the school's area and we have seen a sign, but we don't know what it means. So, what does that sign mean?
I think it's it's a sign that tells you that that you're not allowed to.
Speak up.
I think it's a sign that shows you that it's not allowed to smoke here, but we do it anyway because we don't care about the system. We get our money and then we are happy.
Thank you. And back to you.
Og kameramanden.
Scene 2, take 1.
Hello, I'm back.